Morning everyone. I've just opened my eyes. It's 8 AM. Lake Constance, or the Boden Sea as it's known in Germany, is bordered by Austria, Switzerland and Germany. So yesterday morning I left Liechtenstein. I crossed the river into Switzerland, cycled for a few hours into Austria, and then went to sleep in Germany. It was about 50 miles. And what a view to waken up to. I'm sorely tempted to go in for a dip. Right, as always, much love, a big hug, and I'm off to make my breakfast. I might as well show you where I slept last night. Air B&B, you can't beat it. Look at that, perfect. So I went to sleep at 10, I've just woken up at 8. So that's about right after almost 40 miles of headwind yesterday. It takes it out of you, but wow, look at the rewards. Bye bye.